I don't know what to expect. It's the most expensive dinner we have. We are in IKEA having Valentine's Day dinner.
I'm not one of those.
Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Today we are here in IKEA. It's not for shopping, but it's for dinner. It's the most expensive dinner we have. No, it's the most affordable dinner. We arrived too early in IKEA here in Woodbridge. They always have this event every, like for example, summer and Valentine's Day. They said that they have also for Christmas. You have to go in IKEA store to avail the ticket. So the ticket price, it's very affordable. It is $29.99 for two person, which is you cannot even get anywhere in this kind of price. So plus tax, it's like $33. I am excited to see what's inside. So we still have to wait. Our time reservation is 5:45 in the afternoon. So the weather today is 9 degrees.
At all. You're the only one who makes me talk.
I don't know what to expect. This is an experiment of our Valentine's Day. Yeah, we did it. It's a 3-course dinner, so I don't really know what to expect here, guys. And I just want you to go along with me. And if you have an IKEA in your place, like you are in Manila or all around somewhere in the world, comment down below and see if your IKEA also is offering this kind of event. I'm not too really sure. Yeah. Where is it then? Where is it? So it means it's not really a thing, a dinner. It's really it's not an a la carte, sweetie.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so they're just saying it wrong. Oh no, it's in there. Okay, so this is the regular one, and then the other one there is for the dinner. Oh my god, this is our first time experience. That's crazy. Okay, let's go. Hi.
We're a little bit early.
Table number 30. Okay, so we're here. Oh, nice.
And very happy Valentine's to you all.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm really lucky to celebrate with you guys today. So
Thank you. Oh my god, this is the first time experience. Yeah. So I'm gonna have, what do you have?
Soup.
Soup? Okay, then I'm gonna have the kale salad. I'm gonna have salmon.
I'll have the Swedish meatballs. Yeah, but one of each.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have tiramisu. And we will have the very cheesecake. Yeah. That's it. They close this portion here. Then they open the other side just for regular. So people are coming, so it's really real. So our food is coming too. It's real. Yeah, eh? Look at our food, it's coming. Nice, thank you.
You get some extra napkins when you get a chance.
yeah, sure.
And a spoon. Soup.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
That looks yummy too. Mine is kale. Thank you.
The sauce.
This is my
Nice
food.
presentation.
And this is my husband's food. It's really nice presentation. I told my husband to eat quick because he doesn't like cold food. Look at his food. So he hasn't finished his tomato soup. So now they're serving the main course. Bon appetit. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh. So this is rice noodles with salmon. How was your meatballs? Oh, hi. Thank you.
Tiramisu cheesecake
Thank you.
and the very great cheesecake.
Can you have more drinks?
You want a refill?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I can just stop for you.
Thank you.
1 second, don't worry.
How was your meatballs?
Very good.
How was the taste? What's your potato? My rice noodles is bland.
Design?
No taste. I think I need soy sauce for
Soy
this.
sauce?
No, it's okay, no worry.
That gas.
No. And then my salmon is no salt. I'm full. Too full. Wait that you don't eat fast. So we finished our main course, but our dessert is waiting. We are in IKEA having Valentine's Day dinner. It's a new experience for us and it's different. This is good. It is good. Seems like we're paying for the cake.
You guys are okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Is the coffee right?
We're good. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Not, but it's okay.
We're in the night. Let's come.
Yours is good too. So we're done for the day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a nice dinner, nice experience. Guys, it's open. So for everyone who's doing shopping and then they come here. So I think
Want to
not.
take a picture over there?
Oh yeah.
Of whatever that is?
Yeah. I think. Yeah. I think not a lot of people knows in regards to. Yeah. Not a lot of people knows in regards to this event. We are on our way out. So now we're walking around IKEA. But they have a lot of nice stuff here. Look, you go into the steps and then you go into the door. I remember it.
Oh, you have to go that way. Yes.
Yes.
I know where it is.
See, and we go here and the exit here. I remember it. I don't want to get lost in IKEA. Yeah.
It's very easy.
See? Told you.
I don't remember this one.
Oh my god, I remember.
Oh, because you walked by here.
Yes. Yes, I remember it. Okay guys, this is my vlog for today. If you guys have this kind of experience, comments down below if you went to IKEA store just to celebrate your Valentine's Day or Christmas event. Comment down below and I love to hear your thoughts and your experience in IKEA dinner. Now it's nighttime. It's not really cold. See you guys in my next vlog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care guys, stay safe and have a good evening, have a good day wherever you are in the world. Thank you, take care, bye bye.